Right guys, chest cam's on, which means only one thing, it's live cook along time. So we're gonna make the soy salmon with white rice, broccoli, and Korean styled cucumbers. So let's get to it. Right, so here we go guys. So to stay nice and organized, what we do is we're gonna get everything out that we need, all the ingredients, rubbish bowl, prep bowl, couple of spoons that we need, our microplane, good sharp knife, salt, and then yeah, like I said, all the ingredients. So we're going to start with prepping our cucumbers. Now I'm going to give them a quick wash. These are Spanish cucumbers. If you want, you could even peel them as well. In fact, let's peel them. Why not? Let's show you. So we get our rubbish bowl, and then I'm going to peel these because they're quite rough and quite knobbly, quite tough. You don't have to. If you've got the sort of the English cucumbers, they're fine, but some people find it hard to digest. So there we go. Put that away. Then we're going to start off. So I'm going to do two at a time. If you want, you could use a mandolin, which helps slice things really finely. Also helps to take off your thumb. I'm going to show you one by itself. So we're going to go, I'm not sure you can see that, as fine as we can. So pretty fine. And I'm going to put them into this little Tupperware here, because later on we're going to give them a good shake. So you can do this, like I'm doing. Take your time. Obviously I've got that thing going on. But if you do it this way, they do or can fly everywhere. But you can see that's nice and fine there. Or if you want to be quick, you can do them both together, like this. But again, if you're not used to it, just do one at a time, build up your knife skills, and then you can do that at a later date. You could also do the tip like that. So whatever you find more comfortable. I'm going to stop there because I don't want, sometimes this can be quite bitter. So I'll stop there. Then we do the same with the next one. Or you could do the classic like this. But I find it personally easier to do like this. So I mean, the faster you go, sometimes it goes a little bit crazy. And then let's stop there. See our handy little rubbish bowl, nice and organised. And then all of our cucumbers into this Tupperware. Now the reason why I've done it into a Tupperware, which you shall see, is so we can give it a good shake. So whilst actually, I'm gonna turn the pan on. And that's not quite the full heat. This goes up to 9, this is full power. I put it on 8. That's in the preheat because this part is super easy. We're gonna go a little drizzle of toasted sesame seed oil, like so. And you've got to be careful of that because that's oil, so that drizzle, that's about 150 calories there. So you could go crazy. This is, I couldn't find any rice vinegar. I thought I had some, but I haven't. So I'm using apple cider vinegar. The recipe is down below, but I do a lot of my cooking by eye, as you can probably see. And then we're going to go, a nice pinch of salt. We're also going to go some soy sauce. I've actually forgotten what the recipe is. But again, I'm just going on my instincts. I've been doing this for a while now. I'm actually going to add some sesame seeds. Why not? I don't think this is in the recipe, but this is nice because it's got seaweed in it. It's got a bit of salt in there, and it's got both of the different, it's got black sesames and white sesames, which is nice. And then we're also going to add a clove of garlic. So give that a little bash. I don't smash it completely because I'm going to grate it. It's just enough to loosen it. So I can take off the skin. It's not the nicest one. And then we're going to grate our garlic clove. If it's quite small, do two. This one's quite big, so I'm just doing the one. And then you put that on your microplane. Or if you've got like a tube of minced garlic, squeeze some of that into there. That's fine. Or you can mince it up with a garlic crusher. You know, those little things you crush it with. So tap that in there. Make sure you've got all the garlic, or most of it at least. And then I'm also going to wash my hands quickly. Got my tea towel over here. I'm also going to add some Korean chili. It's not very spicy, this one, so I'm going to add a good amount. You've got a lovely flavour, but it's not too hot, which is great. In that goes. Optional, a bit of sugar or a little bit of mirin, which is quite sweet. Just going to give it a little drizzle, not loads because I need it for my sauce. I haven't got much left. There we go. And now I'm going to give that a good shake. Good, turn it over. Obviously make sure it's sealed. If you haven't got a Tupperware, just give it a good mix in the bowl. All right, now that's ready. We're going to leave that do its thing. I'm going to check the temperature of this pan. Get in there. Don't put your hand in it. I just put it around it. So now you've got our salmon. So this is skinless, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is season that skin, or what skin was it? If that was skin, I season the skin, and we're going to cook it exactly the same way. Ooh. Then we'll see if this pan's hot enough. You'll hear it. There we go. And notice there's no oil in this pan, so we're going that fatty side down because the fat's going to render out and it's going to help lubricate that pan. And I'm going to keep that for later because we're going to cook the broccoli in there as well. Might wash my hands again. Right, now we're going to prep the broccoli ready, which just takes seconds. This is actually quite a big head of broccoli, so I don't think we're going to use, let's use all of it. I might as well just cook it. And then I want florets about that big. So roughly the same size, so everything cooks evenly. Any little ones I put in there, this one can go in half. Oh, I've got to season the top. I'm also going to season the top of the salmon as well. There we go. Let's see if I can go in half. These ones are all the same, roughly. That one, I reckon this one in thirds. Nice. And this one again. Same with this. Actually, there is quite a lot of broccoli. What I wanted to also use, I wanted to use some of the stalk, but because there's so much broccoli there, that's going to be fine. So keep this for another day. What you can is take that bottom off and then chop it into little chunks, and you can do a stir fry with that. I'll save that for another video. Great, so I'll put that there. And let's tidy up this board a little bit. There we go. So far, nice and relaxed. This is so relaxing, isn't it? No stress, everything's organised. Got everything we need. I actually wanted that bowl for my sauce. But there we go, and now we've got a bowl for our sauce. So we are going to hit that with a nice tablespoon of honey, runny honey. And then we're going to use our vinegar as well. Again, follow the recipe. Don't do what I'm doing. Well, you can do what I'm doing. But the recipe works out just great as well. But I've lost my spoons. And so that's vinegar. This is mirin. And then we've got soy sauce. It was 3 tablespoons, wasn't it? Which is about that. And then we're going to give that a little mix. I'll show you the salmon whilst that's kind of dissolving. Well, that's lovely. Our salmon's cooking nicely. You see, we want to cook it mostly the way through before we flip it. And now that's going to sort of dissolve a bit. Let's add some garlic and ginger to this sauce. So again, I just lightly tapped that garlic so it comes off easily, like so. And get our grater back and then grate it again. Watch your fingers because these microplanes are very, very sharp. My sister, I had a new one and my sister was using it. And I was like, hey, you do realise your hand is bleeding? She's like, what? She didn't even realise she cut herself. It's so sharp. And obviously it's very fine. Okay, tap. Sorry about noise. Carefully don't break your bowl. There we go. Might do that. Right, next, this isn't the best ginger. It's like quite woody. I thought I had a big bit, but I didn't. So I'm just going to take off the really woody bits so I can grate it. I'm going to keep that as a handle. So I'm going to take off the edges. Because that's going to be a bit too. But you can see it's still a nice colour underneath, so it's not completely gone, which is good. Same here. Lovely jubbly. I'm just going to reduce that temperature to a medium. There we go. Still getting there. See that fat that's rendering off? So you don't need to add any fat whatsoever, which is great. Right, so now we're going to grate our ginger. And this is a great sauce. You can make a big load of this and keep it in a bottle or a jar or whatever, and then just add it to everything basically. I love it with everything. Right, let's have a look at our fish. I'm going to flip the fish because it looks ready. You can see around the edges here, and you can see it's almost cooked through as well. Yeah, so flip that. Look at that, perfect. That looks perfect. Happy with that. So we're going to finish our ginger. See how much easier it is when you have everything out ready to use. Then you can just keep your eyes on stuff without getting too distracted. I mean, I can even make a video, talk and cook. So for me, that is a win-win. And hopefully for you, you can do the same. There we go, that's our ginger. Again, give that a good mix, and we're going to add our cup of water, which I didn't have ready, which is naughty. Is that a cup? 100 mils, not quite half a cup. So we're going to go that, and a little touch. There we go. Have a little mix. I'm going to add a bit more soy sauce because the colour doesn't look dark enough. There we go. Fantastic. Have a little taste. Put a spoon here. Oh, I do love this sauce. It's so good. Even like that. Right, so now the salmon's not fully cooked through yet. However, I want to cook the broccoli there. So I'm going to take it out. I'm actually going to pour any excess fat off because we don't need much to cook the broccoli. And that's going to go back on a high heat. So it's number 8 out of 9. So it's pretty high. Not the fullest, highest heat because we're going to have some sort of control. Broccoli's going to go in. Like so. There's my salt. Little pinch of salt. Not too much because we've got a lot of soy sauce going on in the sauce as well. Like that. And then a little splash of water. Give that a little toss. And then we're going to go with... Oh, where's my lid? There you go, so the water is going to create steam. Also the salt is going to dry out the water from the broccoli, and that is going to steam cook just like that. Then after, whilst we're waiting for that, there's nothing else to do. Our sauce is made, our salmon's pretty much cooked through, so we can actually just have a little wipe down. The cucumbers are looking fantastic as well. Mixy mixy on the old sauce. Rest that in there. That honey's lovely. Oh. Might come back to our broccoli. Nice. So I like my broccoli quite crunchy and tender still, which is exactly this. I'll show you a bit. Don't use your fingers like I just did. Let's have a look at this. See that? There's still a bit of bite in it. A bit of al dente. Oh my god. That's perfect. Yum. Sorry if you can hear me crunching a bit. There you go. Broccoli's ready. Back on the pan, still on the same heat. In fact, let's go full whack, full heat. Salmon in. And then the sauce. Just making sure all these bits of ginger are dissolved. Oh, it smells so good. Lovely, lovely smell. Now we're going to get our plates ready. Nice, look at that. So now what we're doing is we're reducing the sauce, the salmon's going to finish cooking, and then boom, then we have a lovely sauce to drizzle over the top as well. Right, so now let's plate. So I've got my rice from the rice cooker. I actually cooked this before, or I put it on earlier, but I mean if you've got, it's always good to have rice already cooked so you can just quickly whip up a dish like we're doing now. I think that's in the instructions, I hope it's in the instructions. So you can have that. This is not far off the blueprint plate as well. So we've got our base, which is some carbs and lots of veggies, including the cucumber as well. That's my tongs. Including the cucumber. So that's how I like to do it. So you've got lots of broccoli. Delish. Nice and simply cooked. Sauce is ready, and put a little splash of water. Right, turn that off. Almost forgot about that. I got too carried away with plating. There you go, so that's that lovely sauce. Look at how lovely that looks now. Right, cucumbers. Have a little taste before we put them on the plate. Oh my god, yeah, perfect. Really lovely. Sorry if there's a loud crunching sound. Oh. And then, got some more cucumber for later. Let's add our salmon, like so. And some of our delicious sauce. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was one of the most stress-free meals and tastiest meals that you've ever made. That's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video.